Hey you guys, it's Maddie from Vintage Revivals. Today we are talking about my dream doors from Jeld-Wen. The doors at the Merc are a huge design element and they are awesome. And this hallway right here with all of our bedrooms, all of the doors have transoms above them. Because of the layout of the Merc, I wanted to find a way to get some natural light into the center of the building a little bit more. And so transoms just seemed like the perfect answer. So we needed a door style that went well with kind of this vintage vibe. And these doors from Jeld-Wen are exactly that. Let me show you a little bit more over here. I found this picture of this pink door and I was like, I love it. I loved the molding detail. I loved the panel style. I just loved the door. So I did what any good internet researcher would do, and I tried to find the door.
Did you find it?
No, I couldn't find the door. But I was determined to have this door style in my house, in the Merc. It was happening. I actually gave that door picture to a custom door builder, and I had him bid out making that exact panel style for our front doors. We have 3 front doors. The bid came back and it was $9 grand for 3 doors, which I mean
$3 grand a door, that's about $2,900 out of our budget.
I realized that I couldn't find the source for these doors. I couldn't have them custom made. It was just not happening in my life. So one day I was at Home Depot and I was looking at stuff for our windows and I was getting brochures and I picked up a Jeld-Wen catalog and I was just looking through it, and in it they have just sketches of all of their panel styles. I literally started screaming in Home Depot.
I'm so glad I wasn't there.
I could not believe that the exact panel style that I wanted was there. I didn't know if I could do really heavy molding yet. I didn't know, I just knew that I wanted big panel on the top, 2 panels on the side, and then big panel on the bottom. So I started doing some more research on these Jeld-Wen doors and I found out they have different door styles, different options for your doors, and they have different molding options. So to get the exact look of my inspiration image, I got the panel style that I wanted, and then I used architectural molding because it uses a molded door, and then it also has additional molding around it, so it's really beefy. Kind of like you.
I do have additional molding. Go ahead.
And to make them pop even more, we decided to paint them black. So we have white walls, black doors, it's high contrast, and they just shine. They are the star of the Merc.
I wish I could get this excited about anything. About as excited as you are about this door, I wish I could be
that excited about life.
One thing.
One thing.
Yeah.
All right. These doors are the exact same panel style. They just don't have the additional architectural molding on it because then it wouldn't slide into the pocket. So you can see how the panel style is still really beautiful, but you can also see how much more the additional molding adds. This is our commercial/office space, and it's right off our entryway. We have really beautiful lighting in here, and I didn't want something that blocked the light. These doors are just a really simple single panel glass French door. And the thing is, they look good in any style of house, wherever you are, does not matter. Historic, modern, these doors work for every style. So next time you're at Home Depot, grab a Jeld-Wen catalog, dream up your perfect doors.
And let them bring it to life.
That was so good.
Did I surprise you?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm getting really good. Every about 4 or 5 minutes, I'll put a good one-liner in there.
Good job, Wilbur.
Yeah, you're welcome. I do what I can.